Hello children, welcome back. Today we will learn how to add four digit numbers with and without regrouping. That is with and without carryovers. Here's our first question. It's a four digit number. In the previous videos I have taught you how to read the four digit and five digit numbers. Okay. Now look at this. It is 2241 plus 2328. While adding or subtracting, we start only from the ones place. Now look at the digits at the ones place. It is 1 and 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 2, it is 6. 2 plus 3, it is 5. And 2 plus 2, it is 4. You will be finding it easier to add the numbers without regrouping. That is, you don't have any carryovers here. Now let us see an example with carryover. Now look at this question. It is 4357 plus 3845. So if adding 7 and 5, what we get? Keep the bigger number in mind. I am keeping 7 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So I counted 5 fingers. I got the answer as 12. What should be done now? Write 2 in the answer column and take the 1 to the next place. Now 1 plus 5 plus 4. Always remember to add the carryover in the beginning such that we may not forget to add at last. Now 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 plus 4 is 10. What should we do? Take the digit at ones place to the answer column. Always when we are getting a two digit number, we take only the number in the ones place to the answer column and the number in the tens place to the next place, that is the carryover. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 8 is 12. Again a two digit number. So write 2 here and take 1 as the carryover. Again 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 3, it is 8. Now our answer is 8202. Whenever you find it difficult to write the numbers in the answer place, if you are getting a two digit number, write like this in the side and then take only the digit at the ones place to the answer column. Now we learned how to add four digit numbers with and without regrouping. Let us see some examples where the numbers don't have equal digits. Let us see this. It is 321. It has only 3 digits. And if a 4 is added to it, and it becomes 4 digit number. And the place also has increased. Here the question 2653 has 4 digit numbers. 344 as 3 digit number, again a 4 digit number 2359. How to place these numbers? Look at this. First I have written the places according to the large number of digits. Here we have 4 digit numbers, so I have placed 4 places, that is thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Now to add, read the numbers correctly and write the digits according to its places. Otherwise, you can start from the ones place. That is for writing 2653, we can write 3 in ones place, 5 in tens place, 6 in hundreds place, and 2 in thousands place. 4 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place. Anyway, you can write, but the places should be correctly noted. So, after adding, our answer is 5821. Our next question is 35 plus 6124 plus 4984. Here only 35 has 2 digits, so it is placed straight to tens place and ones place. 2-digit numbers, and others are 4-digit numbers that are placed from thousands place. Now we can add it easily. While adding 5 plus 4 plus 4, it is 13, 3 in the answer place and 1 as the carryover. 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 8 will give you 14. So write 4 here and 1 carryover. Again 1 plus 1 plus 9. It is 11. 1 and 1 carryover. Again it is 11. So writing 11 as it is, it's 11,143. Next question, 638 plus 4,948 plus 35. Here all the digits are there, that is 3 digits, 2 digits and 4 digit numbers are there. Let us place the numbers. 638, so we started from hundreds place, and the next is 4000, so started from thousands place. 948, and it is 35. Where to start? It is from tens place. Now we are going to add. You can easily solve the addition sums now. It is 12 and it is 16 and this is 5. So our answer is 5621. I hope you have understood this.